There are lots of ways that you can display important and additional information on automated and manually sent system-generated email documents. Our additional info is programmed at the tour level, recognizing that depending on the tour that's booked, you might need to send additional information, different additional information in the documents. In my tours, I open up a tour, I go to the additional info tab, and then I've got various tabs down below. For the itinerary tab, any info entered here will display in quotes. The terms and conditions tab, any info entered here will not only display in online shopping carts where you need to click to agree, but it'll also display in quotes, in purchase receipts, and in order statements, which are basically the same as purchase receipts but can be manually sent after an order is placed. Let's look at the quote here. I've got a quote. Below the trip details box is the info that I entered into the itinerary tab of that tour. I can use the WYSIWYG editor to format my message. For order statements, I've got a content box above the trip details info, and I've got a content box below the trip details information that I can enter information. Same tab, additional info, receipts and statements. Here's my intro content box. Entered here will display above, and my additional content box, anything entered here, will display below. I can also add a custom note on an order level just for this order and enter it in the notes section and then toggle it to publish in the email receipt. On an item level, I can pre-program a little item description to display in the trip details box. And lastly, I can also toggle to publish certain guest and customer information fields. Let me show you. Here, I'm in my trip details questions tab, and I toggle over here display in order confirmation. If I toggle those fields will display here. In my items and pricing tab, I can just load that item and click to edit. In the receipts and statements description is where you enter the little extra information that will display under the item that's booked. And in order edit, I enter this custom note, special just for these customers, and I click to publish and it will display here.